Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about how to change country or region on your PlayStation account to unlock global content. If you're looking to access games, content, or apps that aren't available in your country, changing the region on your PlayStation account can help you unlock global content. Since PlayStation doesn't allow changing the region on an existing account, the workaround is to create a new one. First, create a new user on your PlayStation console and go to the PlayStation Network. Select the option to sign up for a new account, and during the process, choose the country or region you want access to. Then fill in all required details like email, password, and date of birth, and complete the email verification process. Once your account is created and verified, log in and access the PlayStation Store. You'll now see content specific to the selected region. However, be mindful of a few things. Content is region specific, so you can only access what's available in that region. Payment methods may not work if they don't match the region. Previously purchased content won't transfer, and services like PlayStation Plus are also tied to regions. While this method is great for exploring region-locked content, make sure to read and follow Sony's terms of service. That's it for today's guide. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PlayStation tips.